Hi everyone, I am here to explain you about the levels of marketing. So before proceeding towards the levels of marketing, let us know what is marketing in short. Marketing is taking a product from its birth to its new life. Now let us know the levels of marketing. But this time, not in the classroom but outside the classroom with examples. And the levels of marketing are segment marketing, niche marketing, individual marketing and local marketing.
The first level of marketing is a segment marketing. It is a group of customers who shares a similar set of needs and wants. Segment marketing offers key benefits over mass marketing, often better price, design, disclose and deliver the products and services over the reflects competitors' market. Let us take an example of segment marketing. The example which we have considered for segment marketing is a BPL Daska gang, where they is providing SIM card to the youth, and they are targeted to the youth because they cover the whole Mumbai college student, and they understand the youth college needs such as more messaging, non-stop calling and internet accessing, where they had provide a free offer such as Daska gang, where they can give a service of 10 paise per SMS to any network, 10 paise gang to gang and unlimited free service.
The another level of marketing is niche marketing. Niche marketing aims to provide customers needs so well that the customer is willing to pay more premium. Niche marketing is done by dividing the segment into sub-segment. It is for the people whose needs are not well served. To make it more clear, I will give you an example. Now let us take an example to explain you the concept of niche marketing more clearly. So Diet Pepsi is an example of niche marketing where they have targeted to health conscious people, as the product consists of less than 1 calorie, and for such kind of product customers are willing to pay more as compared to the normal Pepsi. Pepsi and is fairly small in size but has a high growth potential.
The another level of marketing is individual marketing. Individual marketing, it is a marketing according to individuals' needs and wants. It is also known as one-to-one marketing or customized marketing. For this, let me give you an example. The recent and new example for individual marketing is Tata Sky. Tata Sky is a digital service provider which provides different channels. So here, where does individual marketing comes? All digital services provides different packages which consist of different channels, where here Tata Sky provides according to their languages, and the customers can select the package according to their language. So this is according to the individual preference, where individual can select according to its preference. So the punchline for Tata Sky really suits here that isko laga dala to like jingle ala.
Hi folks, I am here to explain you the concept of local marketing. Local marketing, what is local marketing? Local marketing is serving the needs and wants of the local customer. It means local, region and in state. And to know local marketing in more detail, please follow me. Now let us know local marketing in more detail. I would like to give an example of Ramjal Aqua packaged drinking water. It is manufactured by Shalom Enterprises at Post Chandip, Shirsad, Vajrashari Road, near Shimla Dairy, Taluka is Vasai and district is Thane. Now you would be thinking, how does this product helps us to know about the local marketing? Because it is easily available in this region to the local people. And one good thing is that it is also available in our college canteen because of its reasonable price than the other brands, as many students have water in the canteen. It is supplied to many places because of its reasonable price, and it also reduces the transportation cost in the local areas because it is located in the local region, and it is also supplied in local colleges, restaurant and many more places in this region.